Alright, this is the Electus 15-foot 3-grounded outlet extension cord with a foot switch on it. I got this gigantic Baylite, and the cable on it is only 5 foot long, so I wanted to hook a foot switch on it so that I could turn it off because there's no on-off switch. I want to show you how unbelievably bright this thing is. I've hooked it to a foot switch. Here it goes. Just checking it out real quick. This is, sealed ends, your typical extension cord. We've got 3 grounded plugs on this side. This is capable of handling 1,625 watts according to these instructions that you get with it. And it is rated at 125 volts. What I was curious about, and what you're probably curious about too, is the length of the cable on here. So from where you plug it into the wall, or wherever you're going to plug it in at, to the foot switch is 5 foot. You got 5 foot, and then you've got 10 foot going from the switch to the 3-prong outlet. Exactly the length I was looking for. The Electus 15-foot 3-grounded outlet extension cord with foot switch and light indicator.